The light in your eyes comes over me just like a sunrise. You set a scene, turning my gray skies blue, just like you always do. I don't want anyone else, 'cause I know there's not anyone else that makes me feel the way you do. It's easy to prove I don't want anyone else but you.
He's gonna die. He is gonna die.
Heavens. Hey.
My mind is made up, won't ever change.
Hold it together.
And no matter what, I'll feel the same. Hold up the world for you. Whenever you get to.
It's so beautiful.
'Cause I know there's not anyone else that makes me feel the way you do. It's easy to prove I don't want anyone else but you. I don't want anyone else. Anyone else. I don't want anyone else, 'cause I know there's not anyone else that makes me feel the way you do. It's easy to prove I don't want anyone.
To my almost husband. Today, when we are standing together, every time I squeeze your hand will be my way of expressing how much I love you in each moment. I have always envisioned my wedding day, and it has already turned out to be more perfect than I had imagined because it now includes you. You have shown me that I am enough just the way that I am, and you have continued to love me for it. You truly were a breath of fresh air, even when I didn't realize it. You know that I always hate and fear the unknown, but I have never had to question the love that you've had for me. Thank you for showing your heart to me each and every day and also being so willing and excited to see mine. I can't wait for our forever, and I can't wait to love you every day for the rest of my life. I'll see you soon. I'll be the one in white. Love always, your almost wife.
Haley, today is the beginning of the next chapter of our lives. Our love story may not be like a Hallmark movie, but it is the perfect example of where time, patience, and a lot of mutual love can get you. I've often thought to myself that this can't be real. Even with all of my imperfections, you still chose me and continue to choose me day after day. You've given me the world these past 3 years. You've believed in me in times when I couldn't believe in myself, been the shoulder to cry on when I needed it most, and you've been the one constant good in my life. I'll see you at the end of the aisle. I love you, your almost husband, Charlie.
presents this woman to be married to this man.
Her mother and I.
Haley.
Okay.
3.5 years ago, I went downtown for what I expected to be a casual dinner date. It's astonishing to think that one encounter, meeting that one special person, can change the entire course of your life. For me, that person is and always has been you. And you continue to leave me in awe day after day by the way you love everyone and everything around you. I know that stress and anxiety can lead you to doubt certain things, but you will never have to doubt my love for you. So Haley, I promise to prop you up, to be your support system, and to love you unconditionally. I promise to not only listen to you, but to truly hear you. Life has blessed me with the opportunity to love and to be loved by you, and that has been the greatest honor of my life. Regardless of what life brings us next, there is no one I'd rather have by my side. I love you.
It took a lot for us to get where we are right now. A lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of patience, a lot of laughs, a lot of late night drives, endless snuggles with Ray and Mouse. Today is the day we can stop talking about our someday and start talking about our forever. God was truly looking out for me, and He placed you in my life exactly when I needed you. I was hesitant, and I resisted for a while. But there was something about you that made me want to get to know you. And it was mostly Ray. I knew that you were different when I saw how patient you were, and that your priority was always to make me feel safe. You are the most kind and genuine person that I have ever met. Being with you has brought me a sense of joy, comfort, and faith, knowing that I'll always be adored, appreciated, and loved endlessly. But most of all, I love how you love with your whole heart. And that is a promise that I want to make to you. I promise to love you with my whole heart. I promise to choose you today and every day for the rest of my life. And I promise to always cherish every moment, because I know that we have been placed on this earth to love each other for a reason.
May I have the rings? And repeat after me. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love.
as a symbol of my love.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love.
as a symbol of my love.
Charlie, you may kiss your bride.
To get that kiss.
Our love is like a story that I never knew. With every word I read, it leads me straight to you. Every page that turns, oh, you pull me in. With every passing breath, a new just to see the sun. With every possibility, you're making all of me undone. Not so sure yet, but I think that I might. Nothing to your body as you sway on the backseat of my bike. Sliding down a rainbow of emotions. I might faint and pray that you don't notice. Kick up my shoes, it's plain to see I tear up at the thought of you and me. Wish I was, but I'm not pretending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. Keep the rope shut, I can hardly breathe. Stuck between a dream and reality. Check out the way this heart is bending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. Got me nervous with your hand in mine. Every second inching closer. Explosions in my mind. Picture perfect. I want it all to last. Feels like it's been forever. Like we've done this in the past. Kick up my shoes, it's plain to see I tear about the thought of you and me. Wish I was, but I'm not pretending.